Hey guys, what's up? My name is Bharat. You're watching iGyan. Today we are going to be doing a comparison with the Moto E7 Plus and the Redmi 9 Prime. They're priced quite equal to each other, so we wanted to see which one will come out on top as far as some of our tests are concerned. So let's quickly get into it. The first test is going to be the speed test, so let's look at how they perform. So in the first test, the Moto E7 Plus did take up the lead of about 2 seconds in the boot up, and then overall it did perform slow in the first round, but it caught up with better RAM management and the stock Android user interface in round 2, hence getting an overall lead on the speed test. So the Redmi 9 Prime struggled in the second round in the speed test because of poor RAM management and because of the MIUI being a lot more heavy on the RAM. You got a considerably low performance score from loading apps. Next, we look at benchmarks. So let's quickly have a look at that. So on benchmarks on Geekbench, the Moto E7 Plus scored 254 on a single core and 1167 on multi-core, whereas the Redmi 9 Prime beat it with a considerable amount, 361 on the single core and 1328 on multi-core. On Antutu as well, you can see the results right there. 1,43,326 for the Moto E7 Plus, whereas 1,97,201 for the Redmi 9 Prime. So considerable difference when it comes to synthetic benchmarks. Now let's finally compare the cameras and see how they perform. The Moto E7 Plus did demonstrate really good camera capabilities, and that's also thanks to the f1.7 aperture equipped primary sensor. We also saw considerably good dynamic range on the Moto E7 Plus. So while the Redmi 9 Prime outshined in both benchmarks, the Moto E7 Plus demonstrated skill in RAM management as well as in the camera department. Which one is your favorite device? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, the other button works as well. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell notification icon if you are not already a part of Team iGyan. This has been Bharat. I'll see you guys in the next one.